What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and follow on my Facebook page, TikTok, and on Instagram. So here is the most requested Julian San Jose performance a week or 2 weeks ago na talagang marami yung nakikitang nagre-request. This is from Wish Date Unexpected. Kumanta siya ng Hiling. Okay, so I'm not very familiar with the Hiling, or I'm not sure kung anong hiling to na kanta. Basta she performed the song Hiling. And again, grabe ang request nito, no? Tapos sa Facebook, tapos sa Instagram, may mga nag-message sa akin. So today, i-react natin. So don't forget to subscribe, okay? So let's jump right into the video. Let's go! Di ba nila ine-expect na pupunta si Julian? I think it's a surprise performance. Grabe yung tilian eh. I think they were surprised.
Good evening, wishers.
I think they really did not expect that.
Maraming salamat po. I hope that everyone is having a great night.
Ito ba yung kay Mark Carpio? Okay, Mark Carpio, okay.
Kasalanan na ba o sumuko ang lamig ng hangin ay yakap tuwing gabi pinipilit manghirap, di kayang maglaho ang mga katanungan na.
Beautiful.
Bakit parang sa'kin habang may dalig padayang tadhana, iyong pansin wala na karapatan. Mabigyan ang hiling.
Tagus puso, man. Grabe, sarap sa tenga. And the low notes, grabe. Very controlled.
Di kayang magtaho mga katanungan tulad na bakit parang sa'kin lamang
Sing! Sing. Ito, papasok to. Build up to. Grabe. Nice. Nice version. I love it. Beautiful last note. Beautiful. Nice. I love it, man. I love it. Nice. Nice. Beautiful rendition. Grabe, beautiful. That was really beautiful, no? It was nothing like too extra. Wala talagang ganon. But I really felt like she sang it from her heart, no? She interpreted the song, rendered the song from her emotions, no? From her core talaga. Hindi yung nothing like may mga singers ngayon, no? Maraming singers ngayon, how they render the song is based on their vocal capabilities, no? But Julianne, in this performance, she rendered the song. She gave us a version that is really coming from the core of her emotions and kung ano talaga yung kwento ng kantang yon. So, I really felt that. Ito yung performance na talagang pwede mong sabihin, I felt that. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all.